So first, you start off with a basic fold, just like this in the other airplanes. But not like in all the other airplanes. Because like other airplanes are like so cool ways to start it off. And then again, you know every airplane starts with like this, but Michael's airplane doesn't start off like this. It's just a really weird way to start off. So do that again on the other side, right? And then what I always do is like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to do something different after that. And on both sides. Just like what I always do. And then I do this. And there's something different now. You do this.
Oh.
And unfold it. Make a crease there. And you unfold that line and fold it outward. And then it goes in. See? See that?
Okay. It's do the reverse fold.
And then you see that it's like tucked in, so you can see like the inside. I need to like fold it and like you see the inside.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have to like fold it like that.
Yep.
Or I usually like doing this, making the wings more bigger and longer so it can fly better. And there you go, but almost done. See, like that, you have to flip it over.
Okay.
And then you need to like do this, that, and then you do that as long as you want. And then you fold this the other way. Okay. There.
We're done.
Yeah, we're done. See,
Okay.
look how it flies.
Wow.
It's really good.